Note: the following video depicts a specific configuration of the notebook. The same removal and replacement procedures apply to all configurations of the notebook. Before you begin, remove the base enclosure, battery, wireless module, solid-state drive, heatsink assembly, power button board, and system board. Removal: remove the display panel cable from the routing channel on the right speaker. Remove the 3mm P1 Phillips head screw that secures the right speaker to the top cover. Remove the right speaker from the alignment pins on the top cover and remove. Replacement: place the right speaker onto the alignment pins on the top cover. Replace the 3mm P1 Phillips head screw that secures the right speaker to the top cover. Route the display panel cable through the routing channel on the right speaker.